This stump right here belongs to a tree that was dangerously leaning towards the house and at any moment could have fell down and killed everybody inside. So last year we had a tree crew come in here and professionally remove this tree in order to make it safe. Crazy thing though is most of the tree companies don't deal with the stumps. So now we have this huge stump that we have to deal with. So we went out and rented this beautiful 2-cylinder, 25 horsepower Caterpillar Trax Vermeer Stump grinder. This thing's a beast. I have never used this machine before, so I hope I don't screw it up. Let's see how it goes. Okay, so first I want to show you around this stump grinder. So it's pretty simple to use, and honestly, this is the first time I'm using it, and just about anybody could do it. You have this key. It will go into your key port right here. Then you just have to turn it on. So I'm going to turn it on. On this side, you have your RPMs. Here, come closer. You have your RPMs, and they said that if you want to operate it, you got to get the RPMs all the way up. These two is your goose tracks right here, your Caterpillars. So it will work this way or go this way. And then if you got to turn it, you can turn it like this, or you can turn it like that. Okay, now to turn the actual blade on, what you're going to do is hold this down, and then this button is going to turn it on. But you always have to keep this on, because if I let go of this, the wheel is going to stop. So there is some type of sensor in here that picks that up. Then if you want to start to move this around, it's basically a computer joystick. You just got to move it around like this, down and up. It's very, very simple. Okay, so now we know how it works. Let's get rid of these stumps. Let's do it. All right, guys, so V and I just finished. This took us 4 hours to do. Definitely underestimated how much time was going to take to do this. I thought it was going to take an hour. So this entire tree here was a little bit bigger than that huge tree. So basically that's 36 inches across in diameter. So this was even bigger. So this is all we have left from this tree, from the stump. It worked, definitely worked, but I do have to return that machine now. The thing is a beast. I would definitely do it again. So if you guys enjoyed this video and you want to see more videos like this, make sure to hit follow and subscribe.